Okay, this is so random and out of the blue, but I bought an apartment.
It's $25.
What? Glass here. I'm gonna go sign papers like literally right now. I have to go to the bank and then I move in March 1st. So, I haven't vlogged in a really long time. I'm sorry. I also was touring apartments with like really bad congestion. I don't know if you can hear it. It's kind of going away now. I don't know if I have allergies. I don't know if I got a sinus infection. I don't know what's going on with my body. But we're fine, we're fine. Anyways, I just want to give you an update because this will be the start of a moving vlog, honestly. Global warming is real. It's February in Ontario and I'm doing this. That doesn't happen in February. Called the apartment place because I was like, I'll just like let them know I'm on my way. And she's on lunch till 2:30 and it's 1:30. So we're gonna go to the dollar store, do some home shopping, I think. Buy some kitchen supplies. Okay, so all the papers are signed. The apartment's officially mine. I'm gonna give you guys a little dollar store haul. The wiener dog is playing with her toys and being crazy. But look what I found at the dollar store. I do have a full balcony. She's stretching. Oh. So tomatoes. I got bell peppers. Oregano. I do have a dishwasher, which is really nice. So I just thought I'd grab those. I got 2 dish towels. I got this cute little container. Oh, do you mind? Excuse me, meow. Towels, because you always need cleaning towels, and she wants them because she thinks they're toys for her. I got this because I have to start buying cooking things because I don't have any of that stuff. Where's seeds? I have no idea what I'm doing with gardening. I don't know if this is even gonna work. But we're gonna try it because I've never done it before, and I'm very curious, so. I have been doing this every day for the past couple of days because I don't want them to dry out and I really want them to grow. Little plant update. They're starting to grow. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The cucumbers are the only ones that are starting to show right now. But I'm such a proud plant mom. Oh my gosh. Also, T-minus 4 days till I move.
I did photography for 3 years.
Well, they don't even know what we're doing.
Sorry, it could be B-roll.
Yeah, but...
Yep, this is B-roll.
No, we have to go to Walmart because there's no fucking tape.
This is $25. Or one for $10. I don't know what to do.
1 for 10.
That's a lot though.
Those aren't the good ones.
What do you mean they're not the good ones?
Crunchy ones are way better.
I like the puffy ones.
I don't think I want it, because if I wanted, I would have grabbed it already. My body says, nope.
Just eat it.
To do a cucumber update. Look at it. What? right.
I would have filmed this. I don't know if you want me to film.
There's my bed.
It smells so clean.
My face looks so puffy now. We took a nap.
Not Wendy's.
Yeah, I stuffed what I could in there. Okay, this is too good to have. This dope bowl. That's going in the dishwasher. I got this cool vase. This one's really cool. $2.49. These are dope. What? That's so dope. I forget everything I got. For dip. $2.49. Are you kidding me?
I know what this is.
What? The frog? Freaking frog.
Kinda dope.
There she is. This is actually an ashtray, but I'm gonna use it for my keys to the door. Okay, for now, we're gonna put it there. Boom. Got this vase too. Good morning. I'm about to get ready and we're gonna go back and do, I think, 2 more loads and then I think we'll be done. Let's do my makeup. I'm still gonna have to get to the bathroom today because I have to organize all of that. I have to put up the shower curtain. I have to organize all of this. Oh my god, I haven't been alone all day. I don't think I really filmed anything, but we basically grabbed the last load of like my shelves and stuff. And then we got this coffee table. Look it. It's really nice. It has glass here. And then it has like a, I believe this is like a fake marble, like just like wood thing. And it has gold. I don't know if I want to spray paint it black or not, but I kind of like the gold. I don't hate that. But yeah. Okay, so Logan's coming over here to set up my Wi-Fi because my Wi-Fi box came in today. So this will be my first ever grocery haul in the apartment. Okay, my hair's a disaster, so please ignore that. Food is so expensive, it's actually ridiculous. Also, all my meats are prepped in here. I got some French fries. So we are prepped. I did get eggs, but I already put them in the fridge. And I got a few other little things, but irrelevant. Baking sheets, obviously. We have dish soap. This is only $1 because I have vodka. Strawberries. I got some yogurt, cream cheese, pasta sauce. I got some spinach because I have a juicer and I really want to use that. I got this for the chicken that I have in the freezer. I got celery for the juicer or just as like a snack. Bologna, ranch. These were only 99 cents. Then I just got plain crackers because I have cheese already in the fridge and I like eating cheese and crackers. So there's that. Only $1. Why not?
Baby, you give me midnight.
Okay, I just finished editing this vlog and I'm just gonna post it and just get it up, and I'm gonna start another vlog of kind of like the organization process of everything, because everything is still everywhere. I gotta finish the bathroom. My bedroom is a whole disaster. So that's gonna be a whole other video itself. I know I'm wearing like the same sweater, but if you saw my bedroom, you would understand because the laundry situation. Anyways, I am going to try and consistently vlog because I really have always wanted to do this. And yeah, so if you like the moving journey, follow along with me. Subscribe. If you like small business stuff, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Also check out my shop and my Instagram and my TikTok. Love you, bye.